Fruits, soups, boiled veggies, and egg whites will probably screw you over. You need to make sure you're getting enough protein. Um, that's why you really need to join myfitnesspal.com. If you just diet to lose calories and lose weight, you can, but you're going to lose a lot of muscle if you're not getting enough protein to maintain your muscle. So you need a high protein diet to maintain muscle while losing fat. When you lose weight, you generally will lose fat and muscle pretty evenly. So if you lose a lot of weight, you're losing all that muscle that you developed from being fat to begin with. All that muscle that was used to carry that fat will be gone. But you want to lose all the weight and fat, but still have all that muscle you got when you were getting fat to begin with. You'll look so big and shredded and powerful then. If you just lose weight indiscriminately by eating lots of fruits and vegetables and occasional carbs and occasional meat, but mainly fruits and vegetables, you're going to lose all that muscle.